going to try and make this in real life. Let's go! We have this thing to put our seeds in, as well as some other seeds, such as carrots and radishes, which have 200 and 500 seeds in their packet. Hello, and today I am going to be showing you how to plant beetroot and carrot seeds. Baby carrots! But let's start.
So I have got this and a couple of shovels, some mini rakes and stuff, but I'm probably only going to choose the shovel. Just dig up a little bit, so we're going to want to go down about a finger. So just push your finger in to wherever you want your seeds to go. I'm going to plant my carrots on this side, so I'm going to use my finger to put some in. And I'm going to open my pack. Okay, now once you have put your soil in the area you want to put your seeds, you want to grab your seeds out of the packet, find the right way to open it, open them, and pour some seeds. So there are 500 in this pack. I'm not going to be planting 500. I'm going to plant a few. But now that I think about it, I'm going to actually split these out, plant them all over. Once you're done with this, if you're planting two types of seeds, just be sure to not put them in the same roll because they might ruin each other up. And don't mix the two seeds up. That would be bad.
And once you've done all of that, and now I've got my handy dandy water can, give them some water. Baby carrots and radishes grow all year round if you want to see more stats. Look at these. Links in the description, as well as I will also have a link to a merch store also in the description. So make sure to check it out after this video. And once you're ready to do the seeds, you're going to want to put the lid on.